This.
Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
How are you
I
today?
miss you.
Say, how are you today?
How you day?
Kiss na yun. I miss you, guys. Clean na mong hands. Show your clean hands, babe. Wow. Open the door. Andito na ang ating baby girl, guys. Oh. What would you like na? Kiss na mama lagi. I love you.
Are you?
Oh, you. Kabi, agay.
Agay. Hurts.
Agay ka siya mo? Agay hurts. Daddy Mike and I are considering na iwan namin yung Melbourne, guys. Hi guys! Good afternoon! Welcome back to our channel. Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog. Today is Tuesday and ang ating baby girl ay nasa childcare. It's currently 3 o'clock ng hapon pala, guys, at ngayon lang ako magla-lunch break. And pupunta ako ng post office kasi may kailangan akong i-post. But ang ating daddy ayan dyan nag-work. I'm going now, daddy.
Coffee.
Bami?
Bami. Jamie and Bami.
What else do you want?
Love, affection, attention.
You have all that. Buang. Ay, nagtalithi pa pala siya, guys. Talithi. May drizzle pa siya ba? Check muna natin ang ating mailbox. And nothing. Dalian natin para hindi tayo mabasa. Parang asin lang ba? Basta mahilis. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa sasakyan, guys. Pupunta tayo ng post office kasi may kailangan akong i-post. Alam nga naman, punta nga ng post office kasi may kailangan i-post. Ito yung kailangan kong i-post. Dalawa pala sila. Kasi, na-mention ko na sa previous vlogs ko before na yung mga bagay na minsan hindi ko na sinusuot and nasa stock lang sa closet ko, binebenta ko para naman at least mabalik sa akin yung pera. So, itong nabenta ko, guys, is yung jeans ko. Tingnan nyo to. This is a flare jeans. Tingnan nyo, guys. Yung parang 1960s, 1970s na style ba. Yung buka sa ilalim. Ayan. And I'm in size 8. So, I couldn't remember the last time na sinuot ko to siya. I think binili ko tapos na-stock lang siya sa closet ko. Kaya I posted it online. And I sold it sa Facebook Marketplace. Ayan. So, at least ngayon, may pambili na ako ng ano, ng kape namin ni Daddy Mike, 'di ba? Kasi 'di ba, bawal din ngayon yung magkita-kita and also yung mga bumibili, they ask for postage. Kaya yun yung gagawin ko. And this is the second one, guys. This is a top from the brand. Ewan ko paano pagbasa nito, guys. Oy, but it's AJE. Ayan. Binili ko to siya, but then hindi ko talaga siya nasuot kasi ewan ko, wala namang okasyon para suotin ko to siya. But super ganda niya. Tingnan nyo. Parang peplum na type of top siya. Ayan sa likod. Oh, ayan yung zipper niya. Ayan. So, ito naman siya. Nabenta ko siya sa eBay. Para nilagay ko siya as an auction. So, ipopost na natin para naman sumaya na ang mga buyers. Kasi, nafe-feel ko naman. Nafe-feel ko sila kasi me, myself, bumibili din ako online, as you know. And nai-excite din ako kapag may dumarating na parcel. Kaya ipopost na natin yan, guys. Anyways, without further ado, let's go drive. See you soon, guys! Hi guys! It's that time of the day again. Pipick upin na natin ang ating baby girl. Alam niyo na talaga ang ating routine, di ba? Yan talaga yung ginagawa ni ate niyo every single day. Ay, hindi pala every single day. Kasi childcare ni Paris ay Tuesday, Wednesday, tsaka Thursday lang. But I'm hoping na hindi kayo naboboard sa ating mga videos, guys. Kasi all the time na lang, ito yung mga linya ko ba? Pag alas 5 na, pipick upin ko na si Paris and all. And I promise you na I always try my best para naman entertaining yung videos natin. Yung parang hindi kayo ma-bored ba kahit na the same lang yung ginagawa natin everyday, paulit-ulit lang. At kung naririnig nyo ang ating daddy ay may kausap sa phone as always, chatterbox din yan siya. So alam nyo na kung saan nanggaling ang kayaw-yawan ni Paris. So tata niya palagi sa phone. Mag-isa na naman akong magpipick up kay Paris ngayon guys kasi yun na nga, hindi pwede makasama si Daddy Mike. But I will see you again very soon. Paris is here.
Hey, Mommy.
Wanna say hi to our friends first? Honey, say hi here. Uy,
Hi.
here in the camera. In the camera ba? Honey. Oh na, maldita, nga bata. Okay, put the water bottle in your bag. Can you reach it? Be, ala, taas naman ang baby. Ay, sit down, okay. Just a little bit, ha? Naka-jacket ang ating baby. Okay, sobrang ginaw. You okay? That's it. That's enough.
Put it back.
Okay, put it back.
Job.
Yeah. Wash your hands. Bye, Paris. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Enough?
Now wash your hands.
Wash your hands. Kiss mama.
This.
Say, mwah. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
How are you
Hi,
today?
Nashio.
How are you today?
Up, up.
Say, how are you today?
How are you today?
Kiss na yun. I miss you guys. Clean na yung hands. Show your clean hands, babe. Wow. Open the door. Good job. Push. Push.
It's Paris.
Paris then. Push. Good job.
It's Paris. It's Paris.
That's it naman na.
It's Paris.
Okay, you push again.
It's Paris.
Okay, push. Good girl. Yeah.
Okay. Let's open that.
Paris. Paris wants to open it.
Okay.
How about Mama open it?
Now Paris open.
What do you say?
Please.
Pull. Pull again. Pull. Hi. There you go. Woo. Good girl.
See Daddy.
Daddy, Daddy.
Daddy's cooking.
Where's Daddy na?
Daddy's cooking here.
Cooking dinner. Wait for Mama. Paris, open the car. Good job. Where's Daddy na? Hala, uulan na naman tonight. Oh, tingnan nyo. Grabe ang clouds. Knock on the door.
Paris nakaka.
Paris, knock on the door. And call Daddy.
Mommy, open.
Call Daddy.
Daddy, no more Paris.
Open. Nawala si Daddy na.
Ma, I can put that.
Yeah, open. Use it. Do you know how to use it? Turn. Turn. Take your jacket off first. Be?
Mommy, help.
Mommy help. Mommy will help. Did you have a good day at school today?
Okay.
Did you play?
No.
Did you play or not?
No.
Baby, open. 1, 2, 3. Ganyan talaga kakapal ang jacket niyo kapag nasa Melbourne kayo. Wow! Andito na ang ating baby girl, guys, oh. What would you like na?
Baby.
Kiss sa mama lagi. I love you.
Ayo.
Oh, you. Ipadidi muna natin to siya, guys, para hindi na maghilak-hilak ang kanyang kalag. Cuddle sa lagi, mama. Cuddle, mama. Ay, chuchi, cuddle, mama. Kakatapos lang magdidi ng ating baby girl. What would you like to watch now? Would you like to watch the... Okay. What do you say to mommy?
Please.
Please.
Good girl.
It's Cleo and...
Kiki.
Cooking! Cleo and cooking! Tingnan nyo ang kanyang damit, guys, ba, oh?
Coffee.
Nangaunsa na lang ni nga. Hindi na maklose ang kanyang damit ba? Kasi it's too small na for her. Are you growing na? I think this will be the last time na susuotin niya tong damit na to, guys. Yeah. Kasi sobrang masikip na sa kanya ba? Sabi, show me your dress, B.
It's Paris cry.
His parents cried. Yes.
Miss Mommy.
Baby? Wow! Tingnan nyo, super nice ng damit na to, but ibibigay na natin to sa yung pinsan sa Pilipinas na sobrang liit na, oh. Too small.
Come here.
Your little girl is growing, Daddy? Yeah.
Wow!
Have a look at that dress. It's too small now for her.
It's too small? Say yes. Ow!
Say yes. Buti pa si Daddy kaya naka-shower na.
Milk.
Give daddy a lick.
It's now 6:10, guys. And nandito lang kami sa couch. Pa-chill-chill lang. Ating baby girl, tingnan nyo. Sobrang focus siya sa kanyang show. What are you watching, Nak?
Watching.
It's Cleo and...
Spicy beef. Spicy beef and veg. Dance.
No.
Dance ba? Yan. Ayan, so si Daddy Mike, hindi siya magluluto ng hapunan tonight, guys. Sabi niya, mag-order daw kami ng takeaway. Tinanong ako ni Daddy Mike kung anong gusto ko for dinner. And sabi ko, beef burn soup from the Korean restaurant. Kasi perfect talaga yung soup, guys, sa weather na ganito. Sobrang maginaw sa labas. Kaya, soup tayo. And also, para pang ano din ba, pang pagatas din ba? Kasi si Paris, para madrink din ni Paris ang kanyang gatas. Nak? Do you want soup, Nak? Tingnan niyo si Paris, guys. Oh, tingnan niyo siya sa paa ng kanyang daddy. Bahalag piot. Dot. Sobrang ginaw talaga, guys. I think it's only, I don't know, maximum 12 degrees today. However, the sun was up, pero sobrang ginaw pa rin. Ang naririnig ko na umuulan siya sa labas ngayon. Pumapatak na naman ang ulan sa bubong ng bahay. Umuulan na naman siya. You know what, Mike and I, we don't really like cold weather, guys. Especially ako kasi, obviously, galing ako sa Pilipinas, diba? So, sobrang mainit. And also, si Daddy Mike, he grew up in Darwin. So, yung Darwin kasi, guys, dun sa pinakamataas na part ng Australia. So, very mainit din dun, guys. But, malapit siya sa Pilipinas. And, Daddy Mike and I are considering na iwan namin yung Melbourne, guys. Yes. Actually, kahit nung kakapanganak ko lang kay Paris, nag-usap talaga kami ni Daddy Mike. Kasi we were planning to move to Brisbane. Pero nung nag-start akong magbalik sa work ko full-time, parang nawala yung focus sa paglilipat. Parang naano yung focus namin sa pagtatrabaho na lang and stay na lang dito sa Melbourne. But, tingnan nyo ang ating bata, guys. Oh, in love na in love yan talaga sa kanyang daddy ba? Anyways, yun na nga, guys. Kay Daddy Mike talaga yan na idea. Ako naman, wala namang problema sa akin na mag-move kami ng Brisbane. Kasi for me, madali akong makapag-adjust sa bagong lugar, yung mga bagong klima, yung ganun. Kasi sa Brisbane kasi, guys, mostly sunny siya all year round. Hindi katulad dito sa Melbourne na pag winter, sobrang ginaw talaga. Like today, kung 12 degrees dito sa Melbourne, maybe it's 23 or 24 degrees sa Brisbane. So, every day, makakapagsuot ka ng shorts and dress. And unlike ngayon, kung nakikita nyo ako, palagi akong naka-jogging pants Si Paris, naka-tights. Yung daddy niya, naka-jumper, ganyan. Kasi sobrang ginaw talaga dito sa Melbourne, guys. And I really don't like it, you know. Kasi Mike and I, especially si Mike, sobrang hilig niya sa beach. And kaya, yeah, mahilig siya sa araw.
What chocolate?
You like sun, Nak? Do you want to move to Brisbane, Nak?
Yes.
Paris, do you want to move to Brisbane? And sa akin naman, guys, okay lang sa akin na mag-move kami ng Brisbane. Kasi, in terms of work naman, yung kumpanya namin, meron namang office sa Brisbane. So, kakausapin ko lang yung boss ko na ganito, ganyan, mag-move kami. So, maybe doon ako magtatrabaho sa Brisbane office namin. We'll just make sure na yung bahay namin ay, of course, malapit sa trabaho para hindi masyadong hassle. Pero yun nga, and also, isa pa dun, guys, is sa Brisbane kasi meron akong mga relatives. Dito sa Melbourne, seriously, may mga kaibigan ako which I am grateful of. May mga totoong kaibigan talaga ako dito. Pero, wala talaga akong parang kadugo ba. Sa Brisbane kasi nandun yung pinsan ng mama ko, yung kapatid ng lola ko. So, medyo marami sila sa Brisbane. And it would be nice pag, yun bang malapit ka sa, sa pamilya mo. Ang ating baba ba kayo? Very cuddly tonight, oh? One more thing din, guys, is yung Brisbane, malapit siya sa Pilipinas kumpara sa Melbourne. I think Melbourne and flight to Brisbane from Melbourne is approximately 2 hours yata. So, yeah, malapit siya sa Pilipinas, kaya madali lang siya uwiin. Marami talagang factors talaga yung nakukonsider namin kung bakit kami mag-move ng Brisbane. And masaya naman kami dito sa Melbourne, guys. There's no problem here sa Melbourne. But ngayon na Mike and I are thinking about, buying our own house, nag-iisip kami ng long term ba, kung saan talaga namin gustong tumira for long term. And yeah, I think Brisbane ticked all our boxes. Is that Daddy? Actually, Daddy Mike's also thinking about Gold Coast, guys, which I'm not really a fan of. Nakakatawa siya, guys. Kasi totoo naman talaga, hindi ako masyadong fan ng Gold Coast. And you know what? The only reason na gusto ni Daddy Mike sa Gold Coast is that malapit siya sa dagat talaga. Malapit siya sa beach. And you know, Daddy Mike is a shoko, eh. Daddy is a man mermaid. Sabi pa ako na, be? Now, do you want to move to Brisbane?
Okay.
Do you want to move to Gold Coast?
Okay.
Brisbane or Gold Coast? Which one?
I make goats.
There you go.
Where?
Gold Coast.
Brisbane or Gold Coast?
Goats.
Yay! Sobrang saya ng daddy niya. Gold Coast. Kabi, Brisbane.
Master.
Gold Coast.
Goats.
Yung one thing talaga na reason bakit hindi namin maiwan-iwan yung Melbourne, guys, is dahil nandito yung family ni Mike. So, nandito yung mama niya, at saka yung lola, at saka lolo niya. And ayaw naming maiwan. Pero ngayon na nag-iisip kami ni Mike na, yun nga, bibili ng sarili naming bahay, we're thinking about moving to Brisbane. Obviously, pagkatapos na ng mga pangyayari ngayon, di ba? Sa ngayon ay, plano-plano pa lang yun. Parang may pinag-uusapan ba pag ganito, nakaupo, o may topic. What are you doing? What are you doing? Kisses si Mama. I love you, Mama, babe.
No.
What's your name?
Harris. Nico. Cassie.
Yay! What's Daddy's name?
Me.
Mommy's name? What's Mommy's name? What's Mommy's name?
Nico.
La, Mommy Nico.
Cassie.
Baka, Mommy ba? Sa pangalan ni Mama?
Yaku.
Joe?
Yeah. Nah.
Oh, Jonak, that's your uncle. Jovi.
No, Didi.
Uncle?
Uncle. Didi.
Uncle Didi. Uncle Didi. What's the color of your hair?
Back.
Black? It's not black. It's raining. Oh no. Rain, rain. Sing sabi so the rain will stop.
Easy, easy. Apa? Apa nih?
Down came the rain and
Wow, sabi niya.
up came the...
Sa iki. Yeah.
What are you having na? Eat. Our food is here now, guys. Tignan nyo. Meron kaming dalawang rice dito. And then, what did you get, Daddy?
Got the sweet or the spicy one.
Yeah. And then we've got, what's this one?
Hello, mommy.
Right, kimchi.
Oh, kimchi. Yay! I-open muna natin, guys. Ito na ang ating soup, guys. Tingnan nyo. Oh. Diba? Yummy! Kay Daddy, siya na yan mag-open yan. Tapos may kimchi tayo. Ooh, very maanghang. Anyways, bon appetit, guys! Get mo na! Guys, nilabasan ko si Paris ng susuotin niya, oh. Pangtulog niya. Tapos, ito yung napi na nilabas ko. Ayaw niya, guys. Tingnan nyo, kinuha niya yung Mickey Mouse niya na napi. Nak, you want the Mickey Mouse napi na? Nag-ugot-ugot yata tong batang to. Ha? You want the Mickey Mouse? You don't want this one? Okay. Oh, Mickey Mouse. Get one. Get one. Bata ka nakalibang, oh. What's that? Yeah. Do you want Mama to help?
Okay.
Okay. Mama get one.
No, it's Paris.
Yeah, then Mama get one.
No, Paris get one. Too.
Okay, Paris will get one. Paris will get one. Nakahilamos na pala ako, guys. Ayan, oh, nakapag-moisturizer na rin ako. Kasi yung batang ito, batang ere, nandun siya sa daddy niya kanina sa sala. Tapos, nilinisan ko yung kwarto. And, naghilamos na rin ako para siya na lang yung alagaan ko now. Ngayon, tapos na ako. Siya na lang yung magto-toothbrush, wash the face. Are you okay, anak?
No, sad.
Huh? You bubu?
No.
Bubu?
No.
No. Bubu?
No.
Oh, no, no. Okay. Sige na, mag-bathroom.
No, one.
Tingnan niyo ang ating heater, guys,
No,
oh.
one.
Hindi talaga mawawala yan. What is it, anak?
Mama, one.
Mama get one?
You want?
One Mickey Mouse?
No.
What is it then?
A chair.
Which one?
A chair.
What's that?
A shark.
Shark?
No, a shark.
A shark?
Swimming in the water.
The shark swimming the water, yes? Kita na pinapigay. Ato tag-bathroom. Mag-wash tag-face. Tag-toothbrush ito.
No.
What no? Pakalibangon sa nato ni guys. Huwag ka nagugot-ugot pa.
Paris, si Agay.
Agay!
Four little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off.
Naglalaro sila ng lola niya, oh. Tsaka tito niya.
Monkeys jumping on the bed.
Uy!
Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head.
Ichush! Say hi, Ma!
Mommy called the
Hello!
doctor said, Dr. Ma, kaya, hi, camera! Two little monkeys jumping on the bed.
Say again.
It could be agay.
Agay. Hurts.
Agay ka siya, Ma? Agay hurts.
Okay, hurts.
Hey, Agay!
Kuy agay.
Boo-boo.
Agay!
Agay, binuangan mo kasi mga kapamilya sa Pilipinas na. Agay. Agay.
Agay, bubu.
Agay, bubu. Hi, tita.
Hi, Paris! Good evening! Hoy! Hoy!
Hala, nakalistik ang tita, oh. Nakalistik.
Paris, you're not listening to Tita Paris.
So, tita na.
Yun na. Okay. Tita will call the truck.
Say yes, tita.
No, my call a truck.
Na, mami. Mami ko, hala si tita, oh. Tita's calling truck.
Kiss! Sige,
Give the tita kiss. Okay, the truck's coming. Give tita kiss.
Kiss lagi ni Tita.
Kaluoy naman. Naisahan. Naisahan.
Sadlukan ka.
Ayan, yung tita niya guys, oh, namimiss niya yan kasi before, nung nandito yung tita niya yung yung nag-aalaga sa kanya. Nak ba? Namong tita, kay umuwi man ang aming tita, oh.
Umuwi man si Tita, nagbinta ng karne.
Nagbenta ng karne, Mac. Nagbenta ng karne and start, isin meat dealer.
Mommy,
Hi guys! It's now 9 o'clock. So, i-end na natin ang vlog natin dito kasi ipapatulog na natin ang ating baby girl. May childcare pa bukas. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat guys sa always yung panonood ng ating mga videos. Sa always na pagsuporta nyo sa ating mga videos. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And thank you sa mga bago nating mga subscribers. I'm very happy na nag-consider kayong mag-subscribe sa ating channel. At sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe dyan, bikini men, pwede kayong mag-subscribe sa channel natin. And as always guys, hindi natin pwedeng i-end yung vlog natin without the shout out. So we're going to do a quick shout out. The first one goes to Liza P, Jasmine Visperas, Kusha Basham, Janice Mabuang from Cebu, Sweetheart Annie, Janet Gordon, Be Smart Hair Care Services / Guy Enriquez, Rosana Mansueto, Cherry Salazar, Lynette Cartagena from Bacolod City, Lina De Los Santos from Teresa Rizal. May nagdidididi na. Oh, hang on na po. Just do this quick one na ka. Shout out to Susing Sales, Nini Jean, Maricari Molta, Jenaline Balcorsa, Lilia Vibal, Marvin Cabasan.
Mommy.
Yes, my love.
Mommy,
Read the book. Oh, read the book. Gusto na niyang mag-read ng book.
read the
Yes, my love. Okay, read the book. Shout out to Marvin Cabasan. And also, greet daw sa Abakahin Clan sa Hasaan and Misamis Oriental. Shout out to Cherry May Ongayo, Mad Brat. Shout out to James Rudolph Pasinio Anuver, Joris M, Myla Betasolo, Redeliza Apurillo, Rosana Hidalgo, Aida Harin. Shout out to Michelle Dalit, Amay Vargas, Arin Panurel, Catalina Mempin, Daya Magallanes, Lisan Bansil, Mabel Fernandez, Evert Suta 53, Rose Lumeran, Bevanly Kayadan, Aubrey Don Takas Canyos from Balingasag. Shout out to Mary Jane Subere, Joanne Baguhin, Joy Paragua, Raquel Santos, Melanie Sinon, Tanya Dean, Maricel Mabalot ang saya kahit kailan. Shout out to Chari Salazar, Chari Tamayo, Roel Solanoy. Shout out to Maria LV Osita, Melanie Bakungol, Edna Bartulay, Arcelita Clapano, and Catherine Codilia from Biliran, Leyte. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't...
Bye.
Be careful. Bye. Mwah.